so the other thing I wanted to show you guys, I'm gonna pull my thing back here, is how to attach the cords to the needles, because that's something that is very important so that your needles don't come apart while you're working with them. Also, this set comes with enough of these plastic stoppers so that you can put those, like if you wanted to pull the needles off of a project and use them on a different project, but keep the project on the cord on hold, you can put these onto your cord, and that will allow you basically be a stitch holder for you. I have a project where I needed to split the front and back of a sweater, and I used these to hold the front of the sweater while I worked on the back, and I just put these stoppers on the end to keep my stitches from falling off. So it's really nice to have that ability to do that, so you don't have to like move the project onto waste yarn or something else to hold. So that's what those are for. And there are a bunch of sets. There's at least 4 sets in here, or 5 sets, one for each of the cords. So, and then the other thing that you're going to need that's in these little baggies is the key, they call it. You can see it's just a just this metal piece here. And what you do with this is you take your needle and you screw it onto the end of the cord like that, until it's finger tight. So that's as tight as I can get it with just my fingers. And then you take your key and you put it through the hole on the cord, and then you tighten it. So kind of hold the cord between your fingers and your thumb, and then just give an extra little turn on that needle, and that will really tighten it into place so that it doesn't come apart while you're working with it. And then it's pretty tight on here too, so you also will need this key if you want to take the needle off. So you hold it again like that, and then you can twist it the other direction to get it to come right off. So that is really key with these, and any Knitter's Pride needles, is you really need to use that key to tighten it down, otherwise it could come loose while you're working with it. So make sure you use the key every time you are tightening your needles. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!